Hi, this tutorial will walk you through how to import ECC Library information modules into your D2L course. So right now I'm on the library's homepage, which is at library.elgin.edu, and to get to the information literacy modules, I'm going to go under the tab that reads services and scroll down to the link that reads distance learning. I click on that link, and then there's a menu of services, and right at near the bottom, there's a link that says D2L Information Literacy Modules. So I go ahead and click on that link, and that takes us into the guide that contains our information literacy modules. And you can select the module you want to use by the tabs at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the first one that says Sources of Information module. And when you click on that tab, you'll find a link to a zip file. So you go ahead and click on that link, and that will automatically download the zip file to your computer. Then what I do is I go ahead and show the zip file in the folder so that I make sure it downloaded. And what I like to do is then copy the zip file. So I go and do a right click and hit copy, and then I paste it onto my desktop, and that makes it easy to find when I'm importing. Okay, so there it is. So I just downloaded it into my downloads file, and then I right click on it and hit copy and then paste it onto my desktop. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and go into my D2L course. So I've already logged into D2L and I'm in a course. This is just my practice course, and I'm going to go to the right side and hit edit course, that link on the right side, and then in this menu you should find a link that reads Import, Export, Copy Components. So you go ahead and click on that link, and they give you a number of options of what to do. You're going to click on the radio button for the very last option, which says Import Components, and then hit the Start button. Okay, then it's asking me to drag a file there. So I'm going to minimize my window right here, and then I'm going to find that sources of information, that module zip file, and I'm just going to place it right here to upload it. And it's pretty small, so it should upload pretty quickly. Then I'm going to import all components. So I'm going to click the blue button, and it's telling me it's going to take a second. It says go ahead and have a coffee break, so you can do that if you want. And now it's already done. It's imported into my course. So I click on the view content, and now I can go into all D2L information literacy modules from the library will come as quizzes. So you go to the quiz option, and then you should find it. So here it is, sources of information on the bottom. And then I can go ahead and preview it, just take a look at what it would look like in my class. So start quiz, say okay. And here's what it will look like in my class. It's usually a video and then a question or questions. Okay. If I want, I can also hit the back or go back to it. Here it is. I can also use that drop-down menu to edit it if I want to add additional questions or change the grading on it or do anything else. If you need help with that, those kind of things of editing the quiz, you can go ahead and contact the distance learning department for help on that.